Hi, I just created a game for a couple of students and a bunch of teachers were really interested as to how I created it. So I'm just going to show you a neat little trick that I learned in PowerPoint, presentation, PPT, whatever they call it these days. If you open up a blank presentation, you're going to come across this screen. The easiest way to get rid of these little titles are if you press Control A on your keyboard and then press the delete button, it will disappear. Another way of doing this is if you left click on your mouse and drag and highlight at the same time. It'll link those two up and then you can delete and it'll go away. You just want to make sure the page is in the field of view where you don't miss anything, top, bottom, left, right. Um, you can either press control and scroll on your mouse. So you can see the size are decreasing or increasing, or if you go to the bottom on your right here, you can just drag the cursor left and right. You can see the page getting bigger and getting smaller. So, working with a rectangle is obviously hard to create a grid, a square grid. So, if you just go to design, slide size on the top right side, click on it, go to custom slide size. If you just want to make sure that you haven't, if you want to get a reference around the side paper size, so like if I click on A4, it's going to be roughly 10.8 inches to 7.5, but this won't matter because if you're doing the same size, such as 10 and 10, which is what I did another one, I'll automatically make the slide size custom. So if you click enter or OK and then maximize, you are going to get a square. Now again, use control and the scroll on your mouse to make sure that you don't miss any of the pages or any of the side on the pages from top, left, right, bottom, and it's and all of the pages in your field of view. Go to insert, get a table. I made a 10 by 10, so 10 columns, 10 rows. Click OK or hit enter on your keyboard, and you're going to get this little table. Now, it's going to be blue, it's going to be rectangular, so you want to make sure that it is either transparent or whatever color that you prefer by clicking on the shading under the design tab. I click no fill. Now you're not going to see the table anymore, but if you click on borders, you're going to see all the lines across and running horizontally and vertically. Okay, so now you're still wondering, well, this is not a square still. So if you just click on the table, drag the table all the way to the top left, bottom right, it will automatically make it into a square. And now you can work wonders with this with so many different things. You can insert a shape or text and whatever you want to write, hello, and you can modify this and alter in any way, shape, form you like. I had done this as a game that I created, a fitness game that I created for my students, and that is that. So, good luck, give it a shot. You can do so many different things with this if you put your mind to it. Get creative, hit me back up. Stay tuned for my next video. Good luck.